this year is a 319, exciting little boat. First introduced here at the Annapolis Boat Show in 2018. The boat's a single wheel, open transom, nice little pod here, very good visibility, nice wide decks, everything brought back pretty close to within reach here. Jeanneau sheets right here. Nice boat set up with a Dodger. Has a German system traveler. It's got a little hard vang. Easy to walk through the decks here. Fairly wide, they're about this wide. It has inboard Jeanneau tracks. Nice anchor locker, windlass. All the things the larger boats have. Starboard side locker is your big go-to locker. It's rather deep, has a shelf, access to a lot of your exhaust lines and things like that. So a lot of little details in this 319 that really show the fit and finish. Inset staysail track here for single line track. Really nice non-skid. High quality hatches with lips around them. This is really nice here for the electrical wiring for the deck step mast. It's a little cover for it. It's the first time I've seen that. It's stainless steel. It looks really high quality. Really nice Selden blocks and Selden spar. All your lines are brought aft, easy to get to on either side, and they're all color coded. There is a walk-through transom and a small little swim platform. The 319 has dual rudders like its larger sisters. It's the only Sun Odyssey with a single wheel and dual rudders. This gives you performance and draft advantages over a single rudder. An interesting benefit is the ability to get to the top of the rudders if you needed to. Primary winches are easy to get to from the wheel, and there is an option for a roller furler Code Zero style setup. There are several things to take note of looking at the interior of the boat. This is the cedar interior by Jeanneau. The boat has a lot of storage. It's symmetrical. Both sides of the boat have the same storage, either side in the salon. In addition to the forward and aft cabins, you can sleep 2 people, maybe 3, in the salon itself. The starboard side has a double wide berth. The floor panels all come out, and forward of the table is a small hatch that allows you to have access to a sump for your electric and your manual bilge pump. The galley stove and oven is the same oven used in the larger models all the way up to the 440. And like all Jeanneau's, there's either an opening port or a hatch over the stove. The aft cabin is traditional in the sense that you sleep fore and aft. It has full standing headroom, hanging lockers, and additional storage. All the corners in the boat are radius corners. There are really no sharp angles. Everything is trimmed with solid wood. The veneer on the panels and the bulkheads are book matched with a fine grain. The chart table has a large electrical panel, and that opens up for easy access. The head has an in-suite shower, meaning it's all in one, but the whole area is very waterproof. At 21 horsepower, the engine is appropriate for the displacement and the length of the boat. It is a sail drive. I found the engine compartment to be unusually spacious. Everything is very easily accessed. The engine hatch lifts high enough for you to be able to get in there and work. It's also very well insulated. On either side of the engine, in the aft cabin or in the head, you can get to all the things you need to get to. The interior is light with hull ports. It also has handrails stretching the entire length of the salon. And there's 6'4" headroom throughout the salon, and there's also standing headroom in the V-berth and also in the aft cabin. The V-berth has the ability to have a seat converted from the V-berth insert. And speaking of seats, the cockpit in the boat allows 2 people to sit side by side at the wheel, which is unusual in today's T-cockpit boats. It's nice for an intimate setting. There are 2 keel options, a traditional fin keel and also a swing keel. That's essentially a keel centerboard, but a weighted centerboard inside of a keel, giving you a great range of options for your cruising grounds. The interiors for either keel are slightly different. The big difference is for the swing keel, there's a small box-like setup underneath the table, and that just looks like a little cabinet. You wouldn't notice it unless it was pointed out to you. Currently the 319 is the smallest Sun Odyssey in the fleet, but still has extended cruising capabilities. And for the price point, it seems to come in line with the boats that are day sailors that have a very large cockpit and very small interior. With this boat, you'd have a cruising boat, but you'd also have a performance boat with capabilities.